understand in Bisaya? Oh my God, mapariyan, pipira sila ikuali ron. Papasubo, makuali, wag mo nag-ingot na. Okay, so, how does it feel? How does it feel to be the candidate of Batang Bibo 2024?
Good.
Good. Oh my God, sakura kining gusto. Alin, Erlin, among-amungay na miss. Okay, what is your question? Oh my God, are you excited for your question?
Yes.
Okay. Ang imong pamutana mo, ini. Don't you worry, I will translate in English. Oh. My nose is blooding. Joke lang, joke lang. Okay. Ang pamutana sa Bisaya, mauni. Unsay paborito nimo nga gulay o ngano? Oh my God, thank you so much, Lord. Okay, are you ready? I will translate in English. In English, okay. The question is, what is your favorite vegetables and why? I will repeat.
Kalamangan.
What is your favorite vegetables or gulay and why?
Kalamangan.
Yeah, any kind of vegetables. Ay, kalamunggay? Kalamunggay and why?
Because it makes you good body and makes you skinny.
Okay, aside from good body. That's all?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, candidate number 1.